Ahu VPN PC, what's it? How to use it? Ahu VPN, Fast and Secure is a VPN application developed by EasyMob Apps, designed to provide a secure and fast connection for your device. Here are some key features and benefits of using Ahu VPN on your PC. 1. Secure connection. Ahu VPN uses VPN service to create a secure device-level tunnel, ensuring your browsing and application usage is safe. 2. Easy to use. With just one click, you can connect to the VPN, making it user-friendly and convenient. 3. Privacy. The app does not collect personal data, ensuring your privacy is maintained. 4. Multi-instance support. You can run multiple instances and accounts simultaneously on your PC, allowing for better time management and multitasking. 5. Large screen experience. By using an Android emulator like LD Player, you can run Ahu VPN on your PC and enjoy a larger screen and higher definition quality. 6. File sharing. Easily share images, videos, and files with the built-in file sharing feature. To use Ahu VPN on your PC, you can download and install an Android emulator like LD Player, then download and install Ahu VPN through the emulator. This setup allows you to enjoy the benefits of Ahu VPN on a larger screen with the convenience of a keyboard and mouse.